Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another video. And like I mentioned in my previous video, today I'm going to be unboxing the Corsair Harpoon RGB Pro gaming mouse. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm kind of wearing the same shirt as last video because literally I just finished filming the unboxing video for that Logitech gaming keyboard. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm wearing the same shirt, so I apologize for that. But let's get into the video. Now I actually considered 2 to 3 mouses, or mice I should say, before I actually got this one. I was actually considering this Razer one up here, as well as this other Corsair gaming mouse up here. So it was either between those two or this one right here. Now, like I said, I didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a mouse. I just don't think it's worth it, especially since I'm not a heavy gamer really at all. I don't need any of those crazy buttons on the mouse and stuff like that. So I ended up going for this one right here, the Harpoon RGB Pro from Corsair. So with no further ado, let's crack into this box. So let's open this thing up right here like so. And this thing just pulls out like a sleeve right here. You just yank it out. And as you can see here, you're greeted with a beautiful mouse right here. And of course some paperwork. Alright, so here's the mouse itself. Here, throw that plastic wrapping out of the way. We'll get to this in a minute. But as you can see here, it also comes with, of course, your booklets, you know, how to use the thing, stuff like that, your warranty guide. Bunch of nonsense probably no one will ever read. But back to the mouse. So as you can see here, this is the mouse right here. Like I said, the only RGB part, the only part that lights up really, is the Corsair logo right here. The other Corsair mouse that I was going to go for did have the RGB ring around the mouse itself, but to be honest, I kind of didn't want too much overkill of RGB. I know you can turn it off and stuff like that, but I just thought this little RGB logo right here was just right, you know, just enough to, you know, bring the setup a little bit more character to the setup, you know. So yeah, overall, like as you can see here, the mouse, very clicky. Oh, you guys hear that? Very clicky. And we do have a DPI right here, DPI button to control the mouse itself. As you can see here, very cool, the scroll wheel. And you do have the buttons on the side here, your programmable buttons. So when you're in a game, you know, you can use those. You can program those for anything you want in your game. Now, like I said, right here, not going to be doing too much. Like I said, this is just my impressions, just my unboxing video. So I'm not going to be talking pretty much anything about this mouse in today's video. I am going to be doing a full review of this gaming mouse, like I said, so stay tuned for that. And I'll also, guys, be comparing it to this iBuyPower mouse that came with my PC, so stay tuned for that. Now before I leave, the price on this thing was 30 bucks. I also picked this up at Target, like I said, just like I picked up that Logitech keyboard at Target, but at Best Buy. I will pull up the Best Buy price because I know most of you will buy it at Best Buy. And the reason I didn't buy it at Best Buy was, guess what? They didn't have it in stock. Come on, what's going on, Best Buy? They're not having these in stock. They only had the other two mice that I showed you earlier, but this one they did not have in stock. So that's why I ended up going to Target. Like I said, I don't know if it's cheaper at Best Buy. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a little bit more expensive, but I'm not sure. But yeah, overall this mouse, so far how I'm looking at it, looks top notch. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. You get alerted every time I upload my brand new review video, as well as that comparison video, and as well as that review video of the Logitech gaming keyboard that I'm also going to be coming out with. So yeah guys, enough jibber jabber. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.